There you go. What'd you throw the ball at me for?
Did you hear the Hmong New Year's coming up soon?
When?
It's November 4th and 5th.
You know what? I go to a Hmong church, and I thought I heard something about that. And you know what? If you don't mind, I'd like to come, and I've got a great surprise. See you later. Thank you.
All right, awesome.
Catch this. How do you like this outfit?
Whoa.
I told you I had a surprise. Ain't this neat? This was made for me to be among the Hmong.
Wow, you look great, George.
Thank you. Yes, I enjoy it. This is great. Don't forget, on November 5th and 6th at the Metrodome, the Vikings are not going to be there. The Hmong are going to be there. How do you like that? That weekend, over 30,000 people are going to be coming for this major event, celebrating the New Year. And we're going to have 2 tables reserved.
Do giống là lúc thì lúc có ý định tôi vẫn thích chí theo tàu Minneapolis Metrodome giờ lúc chia bây giờ tàu bây giờ mong tôi chỉ còn cái chỉ sống cha bây giờ phá từ lên tôi còn lúc chia bây giờ là thế bây giờ tàu lúc trong yêu kiều và chỉ để điều nào thế.
We're going to be giving away free balloons.
Bây giờ phải balloon bút đầu chấm nhiều thế.
And we're going to be taking free professional photo shoots.
And
we're going to be handing out gospel tracts, plus a lot of information about our church, how you can get involved. You're kidding me. You won't believe what I just heard. Hot off the press. HIC is going to be releasing its first music worship CD. You show up November at the Hmong New Year and you can get your copy.
It's amazing when the body of Christ come together and put an event like this to make it possible. And we like to honor the team that make this possible. First of all, we want to thank you, Paul.
And Jesus on the Street Outreach.
And the evangelist team for having passion to reach out to the lost.
You know, we cannot do this on our own. We need your help and your support.
If you'd like to get connected with us or get involved with this event, please talk to one of us or talk to Nippon.
We'd love to see you there
on the 5th
and the 6th.